Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is on the Honda and Toyota warranty for 2019 and 2020. Please remember to subscribe, hit the bell icon when you be notified new videos, and I really appreciate that thumbs up. Thank you very much in advance. Okay, folks, let's look at the Honda warranty, then look also the Toyota one. The Honda one, let's start out with the powertrain limited warranty. The powertrain in your new Honda is covered for 5 years or 60,000 miles, whichever comes first. Specific fuel cell related components are covered 8 years or 100,000 miles, whichever comes first. Except for California, that's not listed, is 10 years or 150,000 miles. High voltage battery has a limited warranty. Of course, that's 8 years, 100,000 miles in all the other states except for California, which has the 10-year, 150,000 mile. And the tires, you're going to talk to the vendor, your manufacturer, which tire you have as well. Of course, I never had the luck of having my OEM tires last as long as what they say. Seat belts, 15 years or 150,000 mile. Rust perforation, inside out, it's 5 years with mileage limit as well. They didn't say that where we talk about. There's an accessory limit warranty, accessory. So 3 years, 36,000 mile. And replacement or remanufacture parts limited warranty. So there's another warranty for that. So they spell it all out. If you want to check it out, Honda, it might be important to know about the warranty. I know there's some hiccups lately with their reliability in some parts, so it's good to know what you have and what your options are and how much it's going to cost you from the duration owning your vehicle. Replacement 12-volt battery limited warranty, and that's covered by 100-month, 8 years, and 4 months limited warranty. Replacement exhaust components, a lifetime warranty. So you probably want to read into that a little bit more about the lifetime. Of course, you also get extended warranty as well from your local Honda dealers. If your vehicle is under 3 years or 36,000 miles, that's not covered in this video, but that's something extra that you actually could get as well too. So a lot of different warranties. When you purchase a vehicle, make sure you read that carefully. If you're buying Honda or Toyota, I'm doing a video on both of this right now because most of my family members either have a Honda or Toyota. So let's take a look at Toyota right here. New vehicle warranty. Every Toyota is supported by a 36-month, 36,000 mile limited warranty, but it doesn't stop there. And also there's a basic coverage as well. All components other than normal wear and maintenance items. There's a powertrain coverage. It's also 5 years or 60 months, 60,000 miles. Engine, transmission, transaxle, front wheel drive system, rear wheel drive, seatbelts, and airbags, just like any other manufacturer like Honda too. The rest is 60 months, unlimited mileage. That's really nice too. And you got the emission coverage under the federal and California regulation. There's another section. Oh, by the way, in 2020, one thing to note on Toyota is 10 years, 150,000 mile warranty for all battery components as well too. So that's something special to note from Toyota. You probably see it, emission coverage. Right under that, there's a paragraph that tells about that. The powertrain, it just says the same thing for the EV part of it as well. So keep in mind, if you're buying outside California, a Toyota, might be worthwhile to check out the EV coverage compared to the Honda one, because the Honda one's only 8 years, 100,000 miles, whereas the Toyota one is 10 years or 150,000 miles. That's a lot of miles, a lot of years, and from past history, I have to say the Toyota has been overall pretty reliable with the EV battery, and I haven't heard a lot of bad stories about it. So, it's proven reliability over time. If you're buying a EV that's a hybrid, for example, and Honda's still new in the game, I would say, but there's a lot of, they're catching up and the technology is improving. Eventually, it's going to be, just a bit the same. But right now, Toyota's the more reliable vehicle overall. Toyota also floats in a 2-year maintenance. I think it's 12,000 miles. So if you buy a new vehicle from them, that's something to note. Um, Other than that, pretty much you can see the differences between the two Honda and Toyota for comparison. So hopefully this helps you out in your decision. When you purchase a vehicle, always read the fine print, read the details, and look at the warranty, because not all warranties are covered the same. Otherwise, it'll be coming out of your pocket. Thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.